In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add staff members to your Shopify store. We're going to talk all about creating staff accounts, also known as users with permissions, and I'm here to guide you through each step of the process. We'll go over some important preconditions, the main steps to follow, and what to keep an eye on, like plans and permissions. So let's dive right in and get started. First, let's cover a few crucial preconditions you need to check beforehand. It's important to note that not all Shopify plans allow the addition of staff accounts. If you're on the Shopify plan, often described as the middle plan, you can add up to 5 staff accounts. If you're on the advanced Shopify plan, you can add up to 15. Shopify Plus users have the benefit of adding an unlimited number of staff accounts. However, if you're using the basic Shopify or Shopify starter plans, additional staff accounts aren't supported, and you might need to consider upgrading your plan to accommodate more staff members. Also, make sure that you are either the store owner or someone with sufficient admin permissions that allow you to add or remove staff members, as this is an essential requirement for adding staff to your store. Now that we've covered that, let's get into the steps for adding a staff member, assuming your plan allows it and you have the required permissions. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the settings. You're looking for the section labeled Users and Permissions. Depending on your dashboard version, this might also appear as Users and Roles or just Users. Once there, look for the option that says Add Staff or Add Staff Account. When you click on Add Staff, you will be prompted to enter the staff member's details. This typically includes their full name and email address. Pay careful attention to this step because the accuracy of this information is crucial for future communication and access rights. Next up is setting their permissions. This is where you decide which parts of your store they can access. You can choose specific areas like orders, products, settings, or even app management. If you trust this person fully and want them to have comprehensive access, there's usually a convenient Select All option available. Once you've configured the permissions to your liking, go ahead and click Send Invite. This will send an invitation email directly to the staff member's email address. They must accept the invitation to gain access to your store. Once they accept, they'll be able to log in using their own credentials and have the access level you defined for them. And there you have it, a seamless way to add staff members to your Shopify store. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you build out your team on Shopify. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most of your Shopify experience.